Hi, I'm Gretchen Anderson. I'm the conservator for the Carnegie Museum of Natural History. I'm working with the exhibits crew today to open up exhibit cases in Polar World and do some cleaning. We're removing some dead bugs and dusting the objects, also checking condition of the artifacts. The kayak that's behind me had large blotches of white crystal. We tested it and I found that it's crystalline oils that are leaching out of the kayak itself. And the process for cleaning was a lot more straightforward than I thought. We simply had to brush off the crystals and then work with a low-level heat, like out of a hairdryer, to remelt some of the oil, driving it back into the hide. It's great that we got this finished in such a short period of time, and it looks so much better. Stop by Polar World in Carnegie Museum of Natural History and see for yourself.